Hello guys, I am V. Sai Srinivas of 9th class from MathMan. So today I am going to explain today's editorial. So let's get started. So today our editorial's name is Discouraging Number. Early data from NFH5 show decline in key anthropometric and nutrition indicators. With debilitating death toll and an economic recession, India has had among the worst effects of COVID-19 pandemic. So, due to the increase of the death toll and also the backward problems of the economic status, India has already faced the worst situations due to the COVID-19 pandemic. So, there is anecdotal evidence that the pandemic and lockdown measures have led to new complications related to food consumption and food security for impoverished Indians. So, there is some unreliable evidence that due to the lockdown, the impoverished or poor people are unable to get food. So it also complicates the food related problems, that is food consumption and food security. So many poor Indians will be affected by those complications the most. But an express indication of the possible scale of the crisis can be gleaned from the data from the nearby released National Family Health Survey 2019-20, which was conducted before the pandemic, and its impact. So, the possible scale of this crisis can be calculated from the data which was collected by the National Family Health Survey of 2019-2020. So this survey was conducted before we were hit by the pandemic and its impact. The partially released early data from NFHS 5 22 states, union territories, data for UP, MP and Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Punjab, Jharkhand and Odisha are not yet out. Shows a disappointing record on metrics such as child nutrition and adult anthropometric measurements, suggesting the exacerbation now of an already fraught situation. So, the partially released data from the NFHS5 is kind of messy. So, the states like Rajasthan, Punjab, Jharkhand, data regarding them are not yet out. So, these data are very disappointing for the government because they find the child nutrition and adult anthropometric measures very low. So there are suggestions that India is already in a fill-up state and we should get out of it as fast as possible. NFHS 5 shows that 4 key metrics for nutritional status of children declined in 2019-20 compared to the levels in 2015-16. In many of the surveyed states, Gujarat, Maharashtra and West Bengal recorded an increase in the percentage of anemic and wasted children compared to even the 2005-6 survey. In the key indicator of childhood stunting, there has been an increase in 13 of the 12 states comparison to NFHS 4, with a noticeable improvement only in Bihar and Assam. So, the places where this data is collected and the survey has been done, so the states like Gujarat, Maharashtra and West Bengal, they had an increase of the percentage of children who are underweight and under height. So it was more than the survey conducted in 2005 and 2006. So only Bihar and Assam showed improvement. All the 13 states out of the 22 had an increase. Even here, the reduction in stunting numbers is lower than the government's target. Bihar has shown a promising decline of 5.4% in stunting but still remains the highest percentage of stunted children among big states. So, even though these two states are showing an improvement, the government isn't satisfied with them because Bihar had a decline of 5.4% points in stunting of children, but still it is the state in which there are highest percent of children who are stunted. On the flip side, NFH5 also flags improvements in health outcomes in access to sanitization and clean cooking fuels. So, if we look at the good side, the data collected by the NFHS5 shows that there are improvements in other factors like the malnutrition and poor health outcomes and the sanitization, and also the good clean cooking fuels are increased. In indicators related to women's well-being, spousal violence declined in 17 of 22 states, child marriage declined in 18, and access to bank accounts rose in all of them compared to NFHS4. So in this new data, they observed that the women's well-being and also the spousal violence have declined in 17 states, while the child marriage declined in 18 of them. So the access of the bank accounts had increased in all of the states compared to the previous survey of NFHS4. The persistence of poor anthropometric measures related to hunger and nutritioning, it suggests that existing programs to address them, such as Poshan Abhiyan, will need a push and focus to meet targets such as 2% point decrease in childhood stunting every year. So, the poor anthropometric measures are relating the hunger and nutrition problems of the men were being solved by the existing programs such as the Poshan Abhiyan, which will need a boost. So it need to meet 2% more targets like decreasing the child stunting every year. So thank you guys.